creators, it's Shayna from Krause Kreations. In this video, I'll be sharing with you our FatSo dolls. Hi creators, I'm Shayna and welcome back to my channel. Today we're checking out the FatSo doll. Alright, so what is the FatSo doll? The FatSo doll is basically a miniature version of the original Daddy Mommy doll. So hopefully this is in frame. But the original Daddy Mommy doll stands about 12 inches tall, and the FatSo doll is way shorter at roughly 8 inches tall. Alright, so you can kind of see the difference. You'll kind of see the difference here with thickness here and size different. Alright, so let's chat about the FatSo doll. Here's our little FatSo doll. I just love it. It's called a FatSo doll just because it's a FatSo doll. That was funny to me anyways. Okay, so the face part of the FatSo doll right here is a clear vinyl. Alright, so as you see, the FatSo doll, the front of the FatSo doll will be a clear vinyl and personalized name here. Alright, so the clear vinyl is offered so that you have the option to add your own photos. So as you see here, I could just go ahead and pull this photo out if I wanted to. And then I could change the photo out. If a year passes, then you decide that you want to update the photo, go ahead and snap a new photo with your iPhone, print it out on your printer, stick it right in here, and you're good to go. Alright, so it comes with a clear vinyl as you see here, and then it comes with a personalization, a white personalization of your choice. The back fabric of the FatSo dolls will be a fabric of your choice, and you'll see that on the drop-down listings on the website. Alright? So this right here, this is the dolls next to each other. They're super cute. I love these. And this is me bending the doll. If you enjoyed this video at all, I would love for you to hit that like button. Better yet, if you enjoyed this video, I would love for you to pound that subscribe button, alright? Also, you can find me on all the social medias as Krause Kreations 100. I hope to hear from you soon. Thanks for watching.